Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see your saved reels on Facebook. So the first thing I want to do is just go to the Reels section and select one reel that I want to save and see later. Let's say I want to save this one. Just hit the three dots option right here and save reel. So after I save this reel, what I have to do is just go to the three lines right here. And as you can see, I have the Reels section right here. And if I go to the Reels section and I hit on my profile picture right here, as you can see, I have a list of the reels that I have created. In my case, I don't have any reels. But if I go to the saved reels right here, as you can see, there is the list of the reels that I have saved on my Facebook profile. So this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.